All right, y'all. I'm out here with my twins. We out here cooking in the cold. Let me show you what's underneath this one. Oh, yeah. Got some St. Louis ribs. Just about ready to take off the grill. Indirect cooking. Coals on the side. No flames underneath, so they'll be nice, tender, and juicy. See that golden brown, that reddish color? That's what I do. Smoking, baby. See the smoke. Alright, let's see what's under this one. We got temperature 375. Wow. Turkey ribs. Look at that color on there. Golden brown. Same, indirect cooking. Coals on the side, but look at that. Golden brown and tender and juicy. Yeah, they're gonna love me today. Do this all the time. Cater, special events, whatever you need. Hit me up, 716-390-2998. Will's BBQ. Holla at your boy. Peace.